Started with a dream and willpower, a retreat to relax and wander through the fields like an ancient flower. Sunset paints the horizon in crimson. Birds sing tunes of old folklore. Gentle breeze through olive trees. Here find a place to explore. Whispering winds in the orchards calling. Hearts beat in rhythm with the falling leaves. Lost in a world so pure and calming, where dreams become reality and belief. Paths of cobblestone lead to nowhere. Mystic shadows dance in twilight. Every footstep